on YouTube. My name is Ayush and welcome back to my YouTube channel, The Indian Dev. So guys, as you can see that in this particular video, we're gonna learn about class-based components. Like in the previous videos, we were working with the functional components, but in this video, we're gonna learn about the class-based components. Before that, before jumping onto the class-based components, if you guys are new here, then please make sure to subscribe to the Indian Dev. I'm constantly posting the videos about React and web development. So yes, you guys can subscribe me. Now, moving on to class-based components. Yeah, in the previous video, we have discussed about the props. So I think we all are familiar with the props. Like if you haven't watched that video, then please go ahead and watch that particular video. In which we were accessing the properties of the components in an object format, and which is the terminology of React, that is props. So it will be more clear if you can look at that video. Now moving towards creating a class-based component. This is the component, and if I just remove this name component, now you can see that if I go back to my browser, then I'll see that this is a text class-based component and it is coming from the functional component. Now what I wanted to do is I will just comment this functional component, and I will create a class-based component as it is a class-based component. So what I will do is I will simply write a class, that is app component, because I'm creating the app component a class-based components. For making that, I need to extend this class with the react.component class. So any class that is extending to this react.component class can be considered as a class-based component, or we can say the React component. I will simply format it. Yes, so as of now, if I look at the functional component, then I can get an idea that I was returning some sort of UI from this particular component. But in class-based component, the thing is different. Class-based components comes with some of the lifecycle methods. So one of the most important lifecycle method is render, and as the term suggests, that a render is something related to the UI part. So whatever the code or whatever the JSX we will be returning from this method, that will be directly visible onto our browsers. So if I just write return, and what I'll do is I'll simply copy this JSX and paste it here. I need to remove these comments. Now if I simply format this, and if I go back to my browser, then let's have a look. Like if I refresh this, then the syntax or the output is same. So this way we can achieve a class-based component. So if I reframe is, the class-based component is a JavaScript class which is extending the react.component class, and whatever the thing we are returning from the render lifecycle method, it will be presented to the browser. So yes, this was all about the class-based component. In the next video, we're gonna discuss about the state of a component. Again, that is a very important topic, or we can say the concept of React. So yes, we will be discussing that state thing together. So thank you for watching this video, guys. If you guys like this video, then please make sure to hit the like button, and if you are new, then please make sure to subscribe. Thank you for watching.